no, don't worry, Gwen. The ducklings were both safe. They just went on their way right back to the pond.
But another predator came in and...
And wish them good day. The end. That's it.
Okay. Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad.
Good night.
What?
Every time you tell a story, Gwen wets her twig bed. Oh, learning what? That she should never leave the pond?
Exactly. Trust me, I'm teaching her very valuable fears. I should know. I've lived with them my entire life.
So have we all. Good night, honey.
Good night, sweetheart.